Hello, I'm Geddes, the co-founder of Analysis, and I've been in PPC for 20 years, so a lot of experience in how all these things fit together. I'm excited to attend GPeC Summit, the most important e-commerce event in Central and Eastern Europe. I'll be doing a workshop and a presentation. Now the presentation looks at some of the most important things to do in e-commerce PPC that range from beginner to advanced items. So for instance, we'll look at how to evaluate the match type changes to ensure you're not losing average order value and conversions, that you can maintain your ROAS even with Google changing how your match types work and the search queries you show for. Now I'll also be doing a full day workshop on Google Ads that ranges from aligning your marketing to the buyer journey, to managing all the new ad formats and how to test them, to quality score. And then finally, we'll do a deep dive into audiences to ensure that you're just not remarketing, but you're marketing well, it's performing well, and you're using all the other audience targeting capabilities. So it should be a great show. I hope to see you there.